Top 5 Best Hestan Cookware and Copper Set Review. Number 5. Experience. With premium, durable and stylish cookware, you're in the right place. In this video, we review the top 5 best copper cookware sets এবং ceramic cookware sets that combine outstanding performance, long-lasting durability and a stunning design to elevate your kitchen game. Check latest price. Visit the description link or. Number 4. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook, quality cookware makes all the difference. Copper cookware is renowned for its fast and even heat distribution, while ceramic cookware stands out for its non-toxic, non-stick surface that's perfect for healthy cooking without harmful chemicals. Elegant, timeless look that suits any kitchen style. Highly durable and long-lasting with proper care. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 3. Whipping up quick weeknight dinners. The right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware sets that real home chefs love, from premium stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. These top-rated cookware sets help you cook with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, cook healthier meals at home, save money by skipping takeout, and make your kitchen feel brand new. Whether you're simmering hearty stews, searing the perfect steak, or whipping up quick weeknight dinners, the right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand-pull or mini-electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push, and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link.